Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is once again hair day. Also, what you'll notice with me is that probably about 90% of the time I'm gonna be in my dressing gown. So with that being said, if anybody has very good dressing gown websites, loungewear websites, hook your girl up, because you know, or if you want me to try any sites for like loungewear and that, I'm a cold girl. I'm always cold, I'm always wrapped up. That's why literally I walk around like this. It'd be cold. Yeah, I'm gonna do some box braids. I'm gonna do a skunk stripe. I think maybe this side. Yeah, probably this side. I will be doing box braids with a skunk stripe. So I'm sorry if I am waffling. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. If you guys enjoyed these hair videos, if you want to see more hair videos like this, hair tutorials, protective styles, let me know what else you guys want to see. I love doing hair, to be honest. Sometimes it is tedious, but when you do your own hair, you do get that satisfaction at the end. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe please, because it really does help me out as a new channel. We are growing over here, so please, if you've got a free second to just click the subscribe button. You can see I got these little struggle braids. But obviously I'm going to take it out and I'm gonna detangle it. I don't really like detangling my hair. Nobody probably does. But so after I detangle like the one side of my hair, I'm then gonna start parting it basically. And yeah.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary to make you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been there, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're missing you. Wishing it was different what it was. I've been down, baby.
So once I detangled one side, I'm actually gonna start parting it. I do find it much easier doing it this way because, you know, it's less hard to work with. Yeah, I haven't mastered the doing parting yet, so don't at me for that. But my partings aren't too bad. They aren't too bad. I think I need one of those tri mirrors, but you guys let me know what you guys use, and like, yeah, what's the easiest way, because currently at this moment in time I was switching in between like just looking very hard and straining my eyes, or I would have like my phone in the background, because I did have another mirror but it actually broke, so I can't even DIY try mirror right now. I'm literally using my phone. So let me know in the comments what you guys do and I'll give it a go. Let's get into these box braids, honey. So I've just got like 2 braids at the back. I usually start my base off with 2 braids. I don't know, that's just always a good base for me, just 2 braids at the back. You guys, please make sure you let me know if you would like a more in-depth video of how to do box braids. Of course, I didn't actually do an in-depth video. This is just a little video of me doing my hair. But if you would like an actual tutorial, please just let me know. That's what I'm here for, and I can do that for you.
you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary to make you around me. Treat me like all the right way me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy. Can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you. You know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit. No. I've been out, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're missing. You wishing it was different what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the universe. Lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby.
I do want to know what you guys prefer. Do you prefer box braids or knotless braids? So please start a conversation in the comments. Everybody, please be kind to each other. Our opinions all matter. Our opinions are all valid, and we don't need to be mean to anyone. So yeah. It's all about positivity and empowerment on this channel, so I do not want to hear mean things, please. I would really appreciate it. This is my first time actually trying a skunk stripe. I think it turned out pretty good. So probably going to do this again, to be honest. Love a bit of colour. This is the final look. I think it came out pretty cute. I really enjoyed this one. If you guys also enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because you know it really helps me out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.